ticket to wait for the bus.
Yes, let's wait here.
The bus has arrived. Let's get in.
I wonder what team we will arrive in Wisata Bahari Lamongan.
I think it's our 10 Wednesday.
We'll be there in there and a half hours.
Yes, we take the and I'll half horse from here to there.
What are you going to buy later?
Let's buy food and iced tea.
What are we going to play at Wisata Bahari Lamongan later?
We play haunted house or outer reader.
Let's go buy ticket.
Yes, come in.
Let's fit a place to next to the park.
Come on.
Orang tree.
What do you want to buy?
Yes, don't eat too much.
You want to go home now?
Yes, don't study and next.
Yes, let's then go home.
You think the orang eye is delicious?
I think the orang is it not wet enough.
I don't think it's with eaten. Okay, from the dialogue, we can express an example of asking opinion. 1. What do you think about BBR? 2. Do you think we'll in Wisata Bahari Malang? I think enough about asking and giving opinion. Thank you for watching. The less I say. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.